Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today's Garifuna lesson. We're taking a look at letters, different letters in the Garifuna language. This lesson is brought to us by Jorge Bernardes, and he wrote this in the year 2000 in the book Erie Garifuna, which means Garifuna names. And we're starting this lesson with vowels. Vowels in Garifuna is huale to malali. Huale to malali. Consonants. Consonants in Garifuna is huru to malali. Huru to malali. Capital letters in Garifuna is lubuye de mure werit. Lubuye de mure werit. Small letters in Garifuna is Lebuye de Mure Urot. Lebuye de Mure Urot. Printed letters in Garifuna is Lebuye de Mure Farenguat. Lebuye de Mure Farenguat. And last, cursive letters. Cursive letters in Garifuna is Lebuye de Mure Dungwat. Lebuye de Mure Dungwat.